How would the acceleration of a Barbie Jeep change if a family of wombats were added to it, thus doubling the mass?
The initial acceleration of 5 meters per second squared.
So since the initial acceleration is 5 meters per second squared, and the mass of the family of wombats and the Barbie Jeep is doubled, the acceleration would also double.
Yeah! Does it? Nope, it keeps going.
Thus, the acceleration would be 10 meters per second squared.
Squared.
What is?
You did it wrong.
What is the force of gravity felt by Perry if a 1,000 kilogram sumo wrestler is sitting on him? The equation used for this problem is force gravity equals mass times gravity. And gravity is 9.8. The mass of the sumo wrestler is 1,000 kilograms. So if you multiply the two, the answer is 9,800 newtons, and that is the force gravity. Ta-da!
Yeah. How much force would be applied from a honey badger who just don't care, weighing 60 kilograms, hitting his head against a rock after eating a cobra with a mass of 20 kilograms at 35 miles per hour squared? As we already know, the mass of the honey badger is equal to 60, while the mass of the cobra is equal to 20. The acceleration is 35 miles per hour squared. Now then, when we multiply the two to find the force, it comes out to 2,800 newtons. And that, even though he hit his head, honey badger still don't care.
A 200,000-gram boulder is pushed by Slenderman down a hill to the left with a force of 100 newtons. What rate will the boulder accelerate to stampede and destroy the city? So as we already know, the mass of the boulder is 200,000 grams. However, we can't use grams and we have to change it to kilograms. Therefore, you would just move the place 3 zeros, and there would be your dot. So the mass is 200 kilograms. And the force is 100 newtons. Therefore, you would set up your equation and you're finding acceleration. So you would just divide to find acceleration, and it would be 0.5 meters per second squared.